guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ruby Patchouli. Today is gonna be a fall vlog. Spend a fall day with me. I'm feeling very autumny. I have a lot of fun things in store. So we're gonna go to Pilates and then we're gonna go to Trader Joe's. We're gonna do some fall shopping. This is gonna be, I think, my first vlog on my channel. I hope I do it well. If you have any suggestions on how I can make a vlog better or more interesting, please leave the comments down below. I like to start my mornings off with listening to my affirmations. That is how I reframe, reprogram my mind to think the correct thoughts, because sometimes our thoughts can be very invasive and they're not in line with the type of person that we are trying to be. After my affirmations, I listen to my podcast. The podcast I'm listening to currently every morning is, I'll put it right here, I can't remember the name. Very good podcast. I highly recommend it. I listen to it on Spotify. And then I usually do some gratitude journaling and I meditate. I'm actually going to do some breath work. Breath work in the morning is amazing. Breath work actually can give you like that boost of energy that you need and just extra oxygen into your body. So that's what I'm going to do. Quick 5 minutes. I'm done. Let's get going. This is today's outfit. Have my Pilates grip socks on. I'm feeling very Halloweenish. Kia says we're gonna get there at 10:29. Class is at 10:30, so we are pushing it. I'm gonna try to get there as fast as I can. So I just finished my Pilates class. It wasn't what I was expecting. I thought I was going to be doing Pilates, but this was a stretch and restore class. It's probably what I needed because yesterday my Pilates class kicked my ass. So I received it. It was a great class. I really enjoyed it. I hope that you guys enjoy the footage that I got there as well. Let's go into Trader Joe's. We did our Trader Joe's run. Now I want to go to a Target, a TJ Maxx, and I need to do a Costco run. I did not want to go to Costco, but I want to make some spaghetti today, a fall inspired spaghetti, and I want some ground beef or ground turkey, and I also need maple syrup. It's much better to get the maple syrup, the big jar in Costco, rather than getting the small jar at Trader Joe's, which is $4.99. You could get a big jar, big one, for like $8.99, I think. go home. I wanna go home. Last stop is gonna be Costco. I got some pine cones so my house can smell like fall because I am a very health conscious girly. I don't burn candles because they are very toxic. I love candles, but I haven't been able to find non-toxic candle yet. Are you fool?
Got that boom pow banging out the boom box.
So this is what I got on my run. I didn't get a lot of things, but a lot of the stores didn't have what I was looking for. I specifically wanted like a fall puzzle piece. My ground turkey, I'm gonna be cooking this today. I love saltine crackers with tuna fish. I know this is not the best for you, and I wish I could find like a healthier alternative. If you know of one, please let me know. When you get maple syrup, it's best to get it in a glass bottle. It stays fresher, and once you open this has to be refrigerated or else it will go bad. First time trying this, we're gonna see how this goes. I got a few pumpkins. I love pumpkins. That's my favorite way of decorating the apartment. It's a few days later. I didn't have time to do my fall nails. I'm gonna do my fall nails today. I'm just gonna show you guys briefly how I do my tips.
There is only one of you, only one of me. There's a million of those who won't let us be, but they're not gonna see me bleed. Cause baby, I got you. I've been beaten to the ground, dragged across the dirt. I've been scared to live cause some people never learn, but they're not gonna watch me burn. Cause baby, I got you. Here's to new beginnings and a better life. Here's to dancing underneath the disco lights. They can try but they can never take me down. Cause I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid to love, not afraid to love you. I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid to love, not afraid to love you. They always bring all the lonely, but with you here nothing can scare me. I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid to love, not afraid to love you. I will tell them what I'm feeling forevermore. I don't care about their feelings, not anymore. So let's show them that love is pure, no matter who it's for.
I'm so tired. Oh, this day has been long. We still got more things to do. We still have to cook. We have to make our fall meal and our pumpkin bread. We have the spaghetti boiling. I added some carrots in there, and the ground turkey is ready. Once this is done, I will start warming up the sauce. This is the sauce that I'm gonna be using. We're gonna make our pumpkin bread. I'm only gonna make half of this. If my calculations are correct, 1 cup of the mixture is half an egg, half a cup of vegetable oil. I have coconut oil. We're gonna make it with coconut oil. And I do half of this, then it would mean 1/4 of coconut oil. Okay, I think that's good. Yeah, 1/4. So this is how it's looking like. This is my first time making pumpkin bread, so I don't know how it's gonna turn out. Definitely burned the pumpkin bread. Well, no, I didn't burn it. I forgot to add the water. Oh, I'm so hungry, but this meal is well deserved. I'm grateful. Thank you, Lord, for supplying me with all the ingredients to make this beautiful nutrient meal. It is going to do my body good. I'm finally done with everything. The pumpkin bread is baking. I can finally eat. I made Alfredo spaghetti with ground turkey and carrots. I sprinkled in some mozzarella cheese because we like cheese around here.